Hey guys, Steven here again from M88 Realty, and we're very excited right now because we're going to show you a house here in Pitos, Talamban. It's overlooking. It has 1,491 square meters in lot area and 321 square meters in floor area. It has a swimming pool as you see it. It has 6 bedrooms and an 8-car garage. Let's go. We'll show it to you. So this is the pool shaped like a bean, right? That's 7 feet deep and that's 3 feet. Let's go straight to the living room or the entrance of the house. This will welcome you. And look at this space. Now, take notice of the beautiful furniture. You got a lot of solid wood in this place. We'll take you first to the veranda or the balcony. Look at the view. This is the view of Talamban, Cebu City. Now this is where you could hang out with friends and family. We got a very nice high table with 8 chairs. Have your drinks, your champagne, very nice air with good friends and good relationships. Let's take you back to the insides of the house. Again, this is the living room, right? At your right, let's go to the kitchen and the dining. Look at this dining area with this 6-seater glass table dining area. We got very nice glass windows over here that's looking to the nature outside. We got windows here also. And this big space for a big family. 2 or 3 families, you can actually celebrate here as long as you want. Look, we're here at the kitchen. This is beautiful granite countertop that's shaped like a U over there, extending to the refrigerator over here. We got a middle counter here, also granite with stove, range hood over here, storages. Talking about storages, that's over there, over there, over there. We got nice windows, glass windows, so that if you got a lot of smoke, you can just open the window. Or maybe you can just look outside and see a lot of greens while cooking. This is very nice. We got double unit sink with nice faucet. And look at the whole interior of this dining and kitchen area. Very nice, fully tiled, fully repainted walls. Very nice design. It's a combination of modern and classic as well. High ceiling too, right? So maybe we can visit first the dirty kitchen at your right with cooking and washing your dishes. Maybe do your service area needs as well. That part goes straight back to the swimming pool. All right. So again, this is the dirty kitchen or the service area. Let's go to the guest room. Now it's also spacious that sometimes you would mistake it as a master bedroom as well. So we got 4 stair steps leading to the guest room. It's actually here. This is the guest room since it's in the ground floor of the house. We got an extension bed here as well with lots of drawer storages. Very nice bed. And we got little storage here as well. This is the guest room. And then, right beside this room is leading you to the lounge area. But we have the toilet and bath here for the guests as well. And that's a glass shower enclosure, and you can see that shower head. That's very nice. And you can really appreciate the passage to this area, to the lounge, because look at this space. It's looking at the pool, straight in front of the pool. And the owner also had this area as a bedroom before. So technically it's a multi-purpose room. You can have this as a lounge for you to hang out with friends and family, or you can have this as a bed. You can turn this into a bedroom as well because it has doors. You can close and open. Let's go back. Let's go to the rooms upstairs. We got 3 major rooms upstairs. Very solid grills, wooden grills over here. Solid wooden stairs as well. Gives you that classic Filipino vibe. Over to your left, no, to your right, sorry. This is another bedroom. Look at the bed, the nice carvings in the bed. We got huge wardrobe cabinets here. Look at that. Perfect for your clothes. It has a lot of windows as well because this house deserves a good overlooking sight for the whole hills and the mountainous areas of Talamban, Cebu City. The breeze, it's very nice. Open the windows and relax after work. Perfect place. The common toilet and bath for the 2 bedrooms. It also has a glass enclosure for the shower. Very nice, tiled, very light colored. And there's another major bedroom here. Shelves here for your books or any other things that you want to display. Very nice furniture as well. And without further ado, this is the hall leading to the master bedroom. Here you go. The bed even looks smaller compared to the space. And that's a very huge bed already. Okay? This very nice window which is overlooking to the pool. You can see your kids playing over there, having fun. Your friends as well. Look at the greens in this view over here. Very, very nice. And windy as well. Fresh air. Got window on your left as well, which is also overlooking here to the hills of Talamban, Cebu City. Look at the view. We got a balcony over here as well, which we can also easily access. A lot of relaxed color combination of classic, combination of modern as well, fully renovated, repainted, prepared for all your needs in terms of living comfortably in a residential area. This is the master bedroom, toilet and bath. So if you're interested to look at this house view, it's free to visit here in Pitos, Talamban, Cebu City. And just let us know. We here at Margate Realty will give you the best service as far as real estate is concerned, rental, residential, commercial as well. Just let us know. Call 0933-006-3532. We're also on social media. Let's go. This is Stefan with Margate Realty.